Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie.
Hi, friends. I'm Paul. Charlie, can I ask a funny question?
Of course.
Do even good English learners make mistakes?
Oh, yes, all the time. And that's okay. Mistakes help us learn.
That makes me feel better. Sometimes I feel shy when I speak English.
I feel the same. Many learners stop speaking because they fear mistakes.
Today's topic is perfect then.
Yes, today we'll talk about some common English mistakes everyone makes.
Let's start with a big one. Many people say, he don't like coffee.
That's true. The correct sentence is, he doesn't like coffee. Small s can change everything.
Another common mistake is using very much in wrong places.
Yes, we say, I like it very much, but not very much happy. We say, very happy,
People also confuse say and tell.
right? We say something and tell someone. For example, she told me the truth.
What about since and for? That one is tricky.
True. For is for time length. Since is for a starting point.
I also hear discuss about.
Good catch. We just say, discuss something. Know about.
Many learners forget articles like a, an, and the.
Yes, but don't worry. Even advanced learners make this mistake.
Pronunciation is another big issue.
That's true. English spelling and sound are not always the same.
Some people translate directly from their native language.
I understand that, but English has its own style and rhythm.
And of course, fear is the biggest mistake.
Exactly. Fear stops progress more than grammar ever can.
So the real lesson is not be perfect, but keep going.
Yes, mistakes mean you are trying, and trying means learning.
Speak more, listen more, smile more.
And be kind to yourself. English is a journey, not a race.
You are doing better than you think.
And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment.